Tell us about Tollovir.
Right. So Tollovid is a dietary supplement. It's focused on just 3-CL protease inhibition. But as we know, there are more than just the virus going on. The virus triggers autoimmune problems. And that's really what most of the hospitalizations are associated with. And interestingly, most of the long COVID is also associated with, is these autoimmune problems as a result of the virus.
Which also leaves us susceptible to things like monkeypox and other diseases. Do I have that right?
Exactly. Well, I don't think it's a surprise that the general immunity has gone down, and other viruses like monkeypox and polio are going up.
Yeah.
Right. So these things interplay with each other, and it's important to improve overall immunity. That's something that we here in the United States really need to focus on: improving our health, improving our immunity. Whether you're an anti-vaxxer, you're pro-vaccine, you like drugs, you don't like drugs, we all need to improve our immune systems.
So Tollovir, that is a drug. It's in phase 2 trials, I believe. Tell us a little about where that stands and what the future looks like for Tollovir.
Sure. So, Tollovir, originally when we were developing it, we didn't quite know, where it was going to go because of, the pandemic. Paxlovid coming out, all the major pharmaceutical companies supposedly developing products. Turns out there's a huge need for it because in the hospital setting, there are still no drugs that are very effective at helping people get better. Right now, it's a combination of a drug called remdesivir, which is by Gilead,
right.
Dexamethasone, which is a steroid, and that's basically the standard of care. And the standard of care has not really improved in this area in over a year. And so the combination of a much more potent antiviral that's more specific for coronaviruses, like Tollovir, combined with CCR5 antagonism, which we have seen have benefit, but transiently with other compounds, like leronlimab from Cytidine, lenziluzumab from Humanigen. Those really help, with GM-CSF and CCR5. But if you don't get rid of the virus while you're also helping the immune system, the virus comes back,
right.
And the autoimmune issues come back. So you can't just treat the autoimmune issues without treating the virus. You can't treat the virus without treating the autoimmune issues. So this dual mechanism of the autoimmune and the protease inhibition together, that's really what makes it unique.